Hi, today our topic is molecular orbital diagram of boron, carbon, nitrogen and oxygen, fluorine, neon. Okay, so based on this molecular orbital diagram, I want to explain bond order, bond length, bond energy relationship. Okay, so if you see here boron purpose, okay, boron atomic number is 5, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2. 2p1. Okay, so here for one atom purpose, two atoms purpose, total 10 electrons, nothing but it is less than 14 electrons. Okay, less than 14 electrons purpose we have to draw the molecular orbital diagram like this. Okay, so sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, sigma 2s, sigma star 2s, pi 2px, pi 2py, sigma 2pz, pi star 2px, pi star 2py and sigma star 2pz. Okay, it is for less than 14 electrons purpose. Okay, next it is for more than 14 electrons purpose. So up to here these two are same, just here the variation, here 2 1 2 1 trick, here 1 2 2 1 trick. In previous video these two topics I explained, but just here we are discussing only valency electronic configuration. Based on that I want to explain bond order, bond length and bond energy relationship. At the same time magnetic property also here I want to explain. Okay, it is very important question for intermediate purpose. See here, this is the diagram. Okay, so here valency electronic configuration. Okay, so here I wrote only valency shells 2s, sigma star 2s, sigma 2s, sigma star 2s, pi 2p, sigma 2p, pi star 2p and sigma star 2p. Okay, so in textbook also this diagram is given. So if you have any doubt, once you verify there, and that is the clumsy diagram, so it is clear diagram. So see here, now I will explain bond order property and magnetic property. Okay, and bond length, bond energy also. Okay, so before going to this, once again I want to explain the tricks. Okay, so if single electron is present, we are not considering paired. Okay, that is para and color and less stable. Okay, if single electrons are present in molecular orbitals, that time just we consider, okay, just single electron purpose, that is paramagnetic property showing compound and color showing compound and less stability compound, nothing but high spin, highly reactive. Okay, so that is the those are the properties. Next, if paired electrons are present, if single electron is absent, that time we have to consider paired electrons. Paired electrons purpose, that is diamagnetic property showing molecule, colorless molecule, more stable molecule, nothing but low spin molecule. Okay, so and one more trick already explained, below 14 electrons purpose we have to follow 2 1 2 1 trick, like this, 2 orbitals, 1 orbital, 2 orbital, 1 orbital. Okay, this is the molecular orbitals. Okay, 14 electrons are more than 14 electrons purpose, this is 12 21 1 2 2 1. Okay, like this, 1 orbital, 2 orbitals, 2 orbitals, 1 orbitals. Simply see here like this. Okay, 2 1 2 1. Okay, 2 1 2 1. It is for what purpose? Below 14 electrons purpose. If you see here, boron, carbon, nitrogen molecule purpose, here total 10 electrons. Okay, boron purpose, here carbon purpose 12, nitrogen purpose. Okay, so like this we have to remember this trick, 2 1 2 1 1 2 2 1. Okay, so see here, this is the diagram. Okay, so here I am explaining bond energy, bond length, bond order, magnetic properties. Here bond energy, boron purpose, okay, 290. Okay, bond length is 159, bond energy 290 kilojoule per mole. Okay, bond length 159 parameters. Here carbon purpose bond energy 620, bond length 131. Nitrogen purpose 945 bond energy 110 bond length. Oxygen purpose bond energy 498, bond length 121 parameters. Fluorine purpose bond energy 159, bond length 143. Neon is not possible. Why? Because here bond order is 0. Nothing but here bonding electrons equals to anti-bonding electrons. Nothing but here bond order is 0. Where the bond order is 0, that type of molecule is not possible. Okay. Bond order 0 molecule orbitals is not possible. If bond order is 0, that molecule is not possible. Why? Because bond order nothing but it is equalized with the bonds number. Okay, there is no bonds in between these two atoms. These neon and neon can't have any type of bond. Nothing but these two atoms may not combine and it may not give neon 2 diatomic molecule. It is not possible. Nothing but neon 2 molecule is not possible. Okay, like that we have to decide. Okay, so see here bond order boron purpose 1, carbon purpose 2, nitrogen purpose 3. Here bond order is increasing. Okay, so when bond order is increases, automatically if you see here, if bond order is increases, bond energy is increasing. Nothing but bond order and bond energy both are have a directly proportional. Okay, so nothing but when bond order increases, automatically bond energy increases. Okay, and one more property here, boron purpose single electrons are present. If single electrons are present, that is para and colored product and less stable high spin. Okay, so based on this we have to write down para, colorless, less stable, high spin. Okay, single electrons are present. So if you take carbon purpose, okay, so here paired electrons are present, single absent, paired present. Nothing but we have to consider these properties: dia, colorless, more stable. Okay, so this is dia. Okay, next one nitrogen purpose. Okay, here paired electrons, nothing but it is dia. Okay, next oxygen purpose, single electrons are present, it is para, colored product. Fluorine paired electrons, dia, colorless. Neon paired, here actually bond order is 0, nothing but neon 2 is not possible. Okay, so this is about bond energy, bond order relationship. And one more information here, this red color is indicates bond length in parameters. Okay, so here one purpose 159, bond order 1 purpose 159 parameters, bond order 2 purpose 131, bond order 3 purpose 110. Okay, so if bond order increases, bond length is decreasing. Nothing but these bond order and bond length have a inversely proportionality relationship. Okay, so this is about bond order bond energy relationship and bond order bond length relationship, and based on single electrons and paired electrons, magnetic properties of these molecules. Okay, so these boron, carbon, nitrogen is 2s 2p mixing orbitals. Okay, but here oxygen, fluorine, neon purpose 2s 2p is not mixing, without mixing orbitals. Okay, so if you have any doubt, see here, this is the valency electronic configuration. Okay, so it is for less than 14 electrons purpose, and it is for more than 14 electrons purpose. Okay, so at a time we may learn these two types of molecules, molecular orbital diagrams. Okay, so it is very important for intermediate purpose. Okay, NEET purpose also it is very important bit, bond order bond energy relationship and bond order bond length relationship. Okay, so based on these properties you may easily learn. Okay, so thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share this video. especially it is very important for intermediate students. Okay, thank you.